So in the previous class we have discussed about many things. Basically we have created the road here, we have placed the curbstones, correct? Then we created the different levels, different everything we created using the slab here, and different materials we applied. And here we have used the model in place using the model in place, and both method we learned using the normal already you create the profile and load the profile and created the seep around using the profile, or we draw the profile directly. So these are the things we have done. Now we have to go to the remaining things. First, what we need to do, we have to create here again I'm going to use here the model in place method to create the steps over here. I just need to create it in this area. So you can use the command model in place. So how we use that one, go to the architecture, component, and you can select here model in place. You select model in place, then you can choose here let's say you can select the stairs or steps, whatever, or you can just consider to be a floor. That means whatever you are going to create it, that is coming under which family category. So I'm selecting over here stair supposed to be, so just select stairs. You can just check and see the stair is there. Stair is there. So I select the stairs. Then you give the stair, the name of the stairs. I give here currently stair 1 or any name you can give it. Then you click OK. Then after this you can select the sweep command. So I select the sweep. Then pick path. I select the pick path. Then I have to use this and this edge and this edge. This is my path. After this you click here finish, select profile, select the profile. Then you can see here either you can load the profile if you created already, but here I'm going to create it. I'll click here edit profile. Then what you need to do, we need to go to any of the elevation or the sections, or if you have created the sections already, you could have used that one. But anyway, currently I'm just going to use this south view, will see. And this is that profile, the profile where that profile direction, we have that profile insertion, not the direction, the profile insertion point. So I select that. Then we are just going to draw. Let me see here, I draw here maybe 1 meter. Then I select let's say, so total how much we have given, I think we have given 2 meter or something, so accordingly I'm going to create it. Anyway, 200. Then again I select another 1 meter. Okay, then again you can select these two, this or else this and this, and you can press the control and you select this one, and that means you select these two. Then you can select your copy. Then you click and you place here, then here and here. Let's see, up to here I select. That's it. Then I just draw here to here and connect with this one. So once I created, then we have to go to the 3D views and we need to make sure that how it is created. Now you can see here it is created over here. Then I click here finish and click finish. So once you've done this, you can see that the steps is created from this point to this point. Then you click here finish model. So once you've done this, you can just rotate and you can see here, is it properly done? Or you can select the section and you can take the section and you make sure. We'll go to the elevations, the front top view, that means our level 1 plan. Go to the view and I select the sections from here to here. Then only we need to focus this area. Then go to this and you can see here it is created up to here, and this is our floor grass one. That means it has to be extended up to here. Let's say that is the same thing, so there is a gap in between, so I have to make sure that this is the one which is, just rotate here and you can see that floor grass grass R1. So I need to extend this thing. So let's see, go back and you take the sections and you can see here, select this one, edit in place, then select, I think this one, edit sweep, and you can select this one and you just drag edit profile and select this, and we have to create one more. Let me just select, you can select this to this and control this one and take the copy command and you just click here and you drag and finish here. Then let's say here I'm just going to extend up to here. Then select the line from here to here and connect with this, trim these two. Then click here finish. Suppose you wanted to add one more step here, you can do it, so that all accordingly you create it. Then you click here finish and click finish. Now you can just go to the 3D views and click here finish. You can see that it is coming up to the ground level. So basically I have given only up to here. So the same way all over you need, all the 4 sides you need, you can do it in the same way, or else you do only this side. So that's all depends. Suppose I just wanted to extend it all the 4 sides, then what to do? You have to go to this one, edit in place, then again you have to select this one and you can give here edit sweep. Then I use here pick path. Then I have to continue picking the path by using the pick 3D edges. I click here and I click on this. It has to be continuous, okay, and I click here. So I select all these things, then I click finish, then click finish. So you can see all the 4 sides it is created. So that's all depends how we want, accordingly you need to create it. Now once we done this, we are just going to select it and we can give the, yes, see here how it is. Then you select this one, then go to the okay, then go to this edit options. There you can see the material. You go to the properties. This is the properties, right? From here you have to create the material. Then I select here by category, click over here and you can select new parameters. New parameters in the sense you can assign the parameters over here, and later from the project, outside the sweep you can, outside this in place family you can give the material. But instead of that, I'm directly giving over here, so I'm not creating the parameter. Instead of that, I'll be selecting and applying the material. I click over here, not on this, click here. So you can see here the materials. Then from here we have to select the materials what we need actually, like concrete material or any material. Let's say I'm selecting the concrete material. So once you select the concrete material, if any material related to the concrete that you can see, ceramic tiles, you can see it. Okay, for example, if I'm selecting ceramic tiles, I select the ceramic tiles, then I click OK. So that material will be assigned in that area. Or the same material what I have applied on top of this one, I have to check what material it is. Then the same material you can apply it. So that's all depends. So you can see here the ceramic tiles I have selected here, but I need the same material what I have selected here. So how can you check that material? You go to the edit type and you can select edit, and that is the pavement one, that is the material name I have given. So that same material I'll select this because this is connecting to this one, right? So it's better to give the same material. So I select edit type, not edit type, edit in place, because this one I created as actually creating the stair. We have another method, but that is normally the stair we use for the buildings, but now I have to create all around, so I use this sweep command. So that's all. Basically everything is depends. Now you use the same tool and you are creating accordingly what you want. So select it, then we have to go here. One more thing we have to see. Okay, edit in place commands we have done. Then you can see the material. I choose here pavement one material. Pavement one. This is the material. Then I click OK. You remember that we have downloaded the pictures and we have created this material. So I'm selecting that same material. So those materials are coming over here. See, the same material applied over here too. Now let's say I select this thing. And I click here finish model. Now you can just go to the section of this one and we'll be selecting this thing. Actually we have another one here which is grass R1, then this one. See, so basically see here now you can see when you go down it goes below. So that means my section this is going down. I don't want that. See here some steps, it is extending inside this grassland. So I have to remove that portions from there. For that you have to select it and select this thing, edit, then I just removed it, edit again, just double click, then we removed this thing. I do up to here because that is that level. Yeah, it's fine. Then what else? That's it. Then click finish and finish. So again click here finish. This is the one which is here the problem is when I created this one, this area, see here actually I'm not able to see that because when I'm clicking over here, see here it goes down also, but this area, what has happened over here? You remember that when we created this, go to the edit boundary and you can see that I just simply created something like that, but actually I don't want to create here. I have already these things, so I have to remove the space from here. So you can just go to that means the slab which I placed over here, that is together, I mean completely a single slab. But now I'm going to cut this area because that is already I have constructed over there. See here now. So you have to go to the level 1, then you select pick lines, then you choose edge of this thing, edge of that slabs we have already created. Then we can do the finish. So once you've done this, then that problem is solved. You can go to the 3D views and you can check now it's properly coming up to this level. Correct? It is connecting to this, all the sides, all the 4 sides it is coming. So that's purely depends, all the 3 sides you wanted to create, only this side you want to create, you can create that way, or completely you want to create it, you can do it. That's all depends on your design. So anyway, this is the way we have created. Now you can see the slab I edited, so it is coming only this side. Before it was coming this area too. So that's what it was restricting the view of few steps which is going down. So anyway, that we have done now. Then next what we need to do, so almost everything we have finished here. We have created this, and we have this is also, we use the sweep here, the road we have created, and the different materials we have placed over here. Now you have to place some some plants or bushes over here, and those are the things we have to do now. And some families we have created over here, like a park bench, and more families we have to do it. But now currently what I'm going to do, yeah, here okay, that's fine. So you can just go to, this is your 3D view, and go to the level 1, you can see here, and change the visual styles from realistic to the hidden lines. So you can see the yeah, it's changed into the hidden lines. And the sections, suppose the one which we have placed, that you can keep it over there if you have placed for the view purpose, or just to edit your 3Ds or something, then you don't want to do that, just remove those things. Anyway, that's all fine now. Then now mainly we have to create the customized families, and we have to place that inside inside our area. So these are the things we have to do now. So just remember all the steps how we done. We imported the AutoCAD plan, and we developed one by one. First we have developed the road, then we have developed the park, one by one we developed. Now still we have to add few other things over here. I just wanted to add some trees, some like plants, and if possible I wanted to add here 2-3 people standing or sitting. Then this is, I just showed you last time how to create the more families, but only these 2 families we have created. Like this, many other families also we have to create it. So the next chapter is mainly family creation. Last time we have just started, now we have to continue with the family creation. So we'll see now how can we create the different site elements using the Revit families.